AI isn't just writing essays or generating funny images anymore. It's stepping into roles we never thought possible. Delivering babies, fighting wars, playing sports, and even streaming on YouTube 24/7. The question is, how far can this go? Today, we're diving into 5 jaw-dropping ways AI is changing everything, from birth to war to the very way we entertain ourselves. Let's get started. AI doctors. Let's start with one of the most life-changing fields, healthcare. Imagine walking into a hospital and being greeted not by a doctor, but by an AI system that diagnoses you instantly. Robot surgeons are already performing operations with more precision than humans. But would you trust a robot with your life? Now, if AI can save lives, could it also compete in sports? Let's find out. AI sports. AI athletes and robot players are being tested in labs and even small tournaments. From robot football matches to AI-powered coaching, sports might soon look very different. Imagine a World Cup where half the players aren't even human. But AI isn't only changing games. It's entering the most human experience of all, creating life itself. AI surrogacy. Scientists are exploring the idea of artificial wombs and robotic surrogacy. While it sounds like science fiction, experiments are already happening with animals. Could a machine one day safely carry and deliver a baby? It raises big questions about ethics, family, and the future of humanity. And while AI may bring life into the world, it may also take it away on the battlefield. AI soldiers. AI-driven soldiers, drones, and autonomous weapons are being developed faster than ever. These machines don't get tired, don't feel fear, and don't hesitate. But do we really want wars fought by robots without human control? After war, let's shift gears to something lighter, but just as fascinating: entertainment. AI VTubers. On YouTube and Twitch, AI VTubers are already streaming non-stop, attracting thousands of fans. These virtual personalities can entertain, sing, and chat without ever sleeping. Some viewers can't even tell they're not real. So, are human creators at risk of being replaced? From doctors and athletes to soldiers, parents, and entertainers, AI is reshaping our world in ways we never imagined. The real question is, where does it stop? Or maybe it never will. What do you think? Which of these AI breakthroughs excites you the most? And which scares you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology.